Hear me, brother. The presence of the crowd did not stop him from coming to the simple. By human training that we have, once we are successful with crowd, we abandon the neglected. By the nature of God, the teeming crowd does not blind him from your needs. Somebody should hear me this morning. If you were faced with 10,000 people and they were pressing on you, everybody shouting, hallelujah, here comes Idahosa, victory, testimony, I will be so full of the joy of what I'm facing that I wouldn't remember Peter has caught nothing. But Jesus is not like that. In the midst of the multitude, he remembers the hungry. He came to them and stood by the sheep by the lakeside. The fishermen were gone out washing their nets, but they've got nothing. What made him appear at the scene of a man that caught nothing? The reason is simple. When Jesus appears, the devil disappears. When Jesus appears, scarceness disappears. When Jesus appears, mediocrity is gone. When Jesus appears, starvation disappears. Jeff, think of 10,000 people pressing on him. How he took them gradually to come to where you and she were. Here you are battling with tomorrow, today. But look at Jesus coming to the center and meeting you at the point of your need. Why did the presence of the crowd not stop him from coming to you? I said to myself, man have been trained. Success, that's all I need. The needy is not whom I want. But Jesus by nature is, if I don't meet the need of this one, he will not join the crowd. I said to Dr. Festus on the way, why will someone have second bread in the front row of communions while those at the back have not had the first? Jesus knows when you have nothing. He arrives before you cry out.